Hello, this is Alex Segura. I'm from Barcelona and I'm here to show you how to make an easy and fun hand-type bouquet using fantastic Lisianthus. Okay, so for this hand-type bouquet, I'm going to use these paper fans. They are very cheap and very easy to find. And the first things that we have to do is the holder. We will use some technical wires. This is number 1.5 and some floral tape. And the only thing we have to do is just cover the wires with tape. When you have the wires totally covered with tape, you have to take it together and tape it again and open the top like this. So now it's time to fix the holder with the paper fan. Put it on the top of the paper fan and close. I will also use different kind of paper fans. I will glue it using hot glue on the top. Now it's time to start with the flowers. And as you can see, I have made it a little bit longer, the holder, because you have to think about proportions. And this is quite wild, so the bending point has to be a little bit lower. So that is why I make longer the holder. The important thing about the flowers is they have to be clean, totally clean, the stem. It's making the flower nicer. Today we are going to work with Aliza light apricot, Aliza white and Lizana light pink. Also we have some nice grasses like Chasmantium, some Panicum, So as you can see, I'm start mixing the different varieties of Lisianthus, also together with some grasses. I told you before, we have Chasmantium, we have Panicum, and we have also some Sanguisorba. Just to give a little bit more movement, just to add some different textures and shapes to the flowers. Now that everything is more or less all around, it's time to cut the stems at the same length.